Hey there fellow traders, Will here with XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, first video in just over a week here, and it's a trade I've been waiting for, well, for quite a while now on the Euro Swiss franc. You can see the Euro Swiss franc here. We're on my live account, and what I'm going to show you here is basically the trade that I've been waiting on. And if you're watching this video early, you can actually get in on this move. So, kind of bonus, what we could say a bonus gift for you for being a loyal subscriber to my YouTube channel and my email list. So you can see here we're at this weekly. We'll just zoom out the monthly. Okay, so if you're wondering what this big drop was, this was when the Swiss bank or the Swiss government took away the cap on the Swiss franc and it plummeted. We've slowly been making its way up. Now this here area is always going to get a test. The price at some point in the future will always make its way back up towards this area, which it has now. It's slowly making its way back up over the past 4 years. So if you had it bought in that day down here after that cap, it would have been a pretty nice move and just held. I'm sure there's a lot of big money did that. As this here is a very good point in the area in the monthly. See if it's just slowly making its way up to it. I know a few people that got in down here, got in early and we're getting in here early. But if you watched some of my webinars, I talk about not getting in too quick as we're waiting for it to come up to this area here. There's nothing really else until it gets up to here. So this is a longer term position. Even these moves here, it's not really at nothing. So this is the move I'm waiting for. We took it today, 18th of April 2018. Now this is going to be a longer term trade. Where's my target? You can see where my target is down here, first target. So I'm liking the move to start coming down here over the coming weeks. And I'm happy for it to even pop up a little bit more. Pop up a little bit more before it comes down, but I'm liking it to come down a little bit over the coming weeks and months. So it is a good trade for you. It's a high reward, low risk. Let's see. We've got like a 500 pip. I've got a 500 pip take profit target here, and something like a 200 pip stop loss. So good trade. See, it's a live account, and it's a weekly within. You see the monthly. We have a weekly. So pretty awesome move from this. Could be a nice setup. And sorry, from the entry it's already dropped nearly 30-40 pips. So good trade guy on the Euro Swiss franc, a sale. Any questions, get in contact with me at will@xaus.com. And don't forget to grab your free indicator via the link below in the description area. So speak to you soon guys, will over to xaus.com.